In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix calendar sync and loading issues in Chrome and on your mobile device. If your calendar is not updating properly, showing the wrong time, or failing to sync between your browser and your phone, this quick process can often solve the problem. We're going to clean up potential browser issues, refresh the calendar app cache on your phone, and then make sure your time zone settings match correctly across devices. First, open Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner, click the three-dot menu, then choose Clear Browsing Data. This helps remove corrupted scripts or temporary browser files that may be interfering with how the web calendar loads or syncs. If the calendar has been behaving strangely in the browser, this is an important first step, because outdated or damaged cache data can cause pages to load incorrectly or prevent certain functions from working as expected. If you are using phone sync, the next part happens on your primary mobile phone. Open the Settings app on that device and go to Apps. From there, find Calendar, then open Storage. Once you're there, tap Clear Cache. This clears temporary app files without removing your events, and it can fix issues where the calendar app is stuck using old data or failing to communicate properly with your account. Be careful to choose Clear Cache. Not anything that would remove app data unless you specifically intend to do a full reset. After that, go back to your calendar in Chrome using the web view. Look for the gear icon, open the settings area, and check your time zone. Make sure it matches the time zone currently set on your device. This is a small detail, but it's one of the most common reasons calendar events appear at the wrong hour or seem out of sync between devices. If your phone and your web calendar are using different time zones, even by mistake, your appointments can shift and create confusion. Once all of that is done, give the calendar a moment to refresh. In many cases, these steps are enough to restore proper behavior and improve syncing between your browser and your mobile device. If you're following along, take your time with each part so nothing gets missed. A clean browser cache, a refreshed calendar app cache, and matching time zone settings can make a big difference in getting everything back to normal.